In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify Facebook on Pi Network. So firstly, launch the Pi Network, and once you're on the Pi Network here, you will get the option to verify your Facebook. So all you have to do is simply tap on your Facebook option here. Okay, so just tap on it. So once you click on it, this will now ask you for authorization and access to your Facebook. So all you have to do is you just have to hit on continue and allow the Pi network to access your Facebook. So tap on continue and allow the process to complete. So now here, what you have to do is you'll get the opportunity to change the name on your site depending on your Facebook account name. So you'll be able to use the same name, or else you can provide your official name and all those details, and then choose a username for your Pi and hit on submit. Once that's done, you can if you have an invitation code, you can do that, or else you can just click on no, and then you can just hit on donate, and that's it. There you go. So you'll see that your Facebook has now been verified. So you have used the Pi network to verify your Facebook, and you're now all good to use.